So today I'm going to be washing the FJ Cruiser for the first time in a few months. I just recently moved into a new home. Where we lived, we had HOA rules, and believe it or not, one of the HOA rules was that you could not work on your car, could not wash your car, you couldn't even park your car in reverse. So without these HOA rules now, I now have a space where I can take a hose and wash my car. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that today. So it'll be getting its first car wash at the new house. All right, now I will say that one of the challenges of washing the FJ Cruiser is that it's larger than most other vehicles. I've had smaller coupes where I would wash it and be able to access the roof without a stepladder, just to kind of get the top of the roof there. But I recently purchased something for the house that I also am planning to use with the FJ Cruiser, and that is a leaf blower. This is a Greenworks cordless blower. It cost me about $75, and I just wanted to see if this could help me out with drying the FJ Cruiser. The goal here is just to use the leaf blower to blow off the water right after washing, just to kind of make drying it a little bit easier. So we'll see how this works out. I tried it around the house with some leaves and some debris, and it did a pretty decent job. But yeah, we'll go ahead and wash the car first and then see how this works out. All right, I just finished rinsing off the FJ, and I got my leaf blower here, and let's put it on 3. And put it on the max, which is 6, and let's show you guys what it looks like. Check it out. My neighbor across the street's got a leaf blower too, and he's using it to blow leaves. Alright, well that concludes my first car wash in the new driveway with the FJ Cruiser. One of the reasons why I purchased the leaf blower was that I actually now have a yard to use it with, and so I'm going to keep it. But did I find it helpful for the FJ Cruiser? Not necessarily. I found that instead of blowing water off the car, it would basically disperse the water and spread it to a new location. I didn't find that the leaf blower was adequate enough to blow water off the car. Now I am still going to keep it because I do have a yard now where I can use it, and that's the primary purpose, but I just thought that I would give this a try just to see if it would be helpful when washing the FJ. I will say though that it was definitely helpful on the roof rack where I have all the bars. It was easier for me to get up there and blow the water away as opposed to taking a towel and wiping away between the bars. One other nice thing about it is that it's very lightweight, and you saw that I could hold it with one hand. I could lift it over my head, and it wasn't very heavy at all, so in that sense it was very easy to use. Would I recommend this for gardening? Yeah, yeah, it's cordless, it's super convenient, super lightweight, it does what it's supposed to do, it's got plenty of power. Would I recommend it for car washes? Not really. Didn't really do quite what I thought it was going to do. So that's it for now, you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.